A walk through nature. Scene opens with a panoramic view of a lush forest, the sound of birds chirping and a gentle breeze rustling the leaves. Welcome, dear soul, to a sanctuary of peace where nature's beauty unfolds with every step. As we tread this path, allow your senses to gently awaken to the wonders that envelop you. Cut to a close-up of a stream, water flowing over smooth stones. Listen to the calming melody of the stream, its waters gracefully dancing over stones, crafting a symphony of tranquility. Inhale the fresh air, steeped with the earthy scent of moss and sweet wildflowers, as your soul finds peace. Scene transitions to a meadow bathed in sunlight, butterflies fluttering among the flowers. In this meadow, vibrant flowers bloom, painting scenes of serene beauty. Butterflies flit gracefully, their delicate wings celebrating nature's artistry, a visual meditation in motion.